So today we are showing a film of the UG VTL1600ATC plus C 3-axis vertical boring and turning machine, and it's a very nice machine which is fully installed, and we have a dry cycle demonstration to show. And the machine has a 1.6 meter table, is elevating rail, and has a Fanuc 18i TB control with manual guide eye. Interestingly, the machine is capable of helical interpolation and rigid tapping, and has a 12-station tool changer carrying BT50 tooling for the driven tooling and block tooling for the static turning tools and boring bars. The machine also has paper band filtration, high pressure coolant, swarf conveyor and an operator's gantry. It's also very well tooled. There's a large complement of tooling available and to be supplied with the machine. For the purposes of the demonstration, we have overridden the door interlock so that we can show the machine functionality internally, and after the demonstration we will be refitting that interlock. The machine is fully CE marked with a declaration of conformity. Now we're showing the Z-axis, Z-, and we're also going to show X-, but at the present time we are just positioning the C-axis table, orientating C-axis for reference. The table now referencing as it moves into C-axis mode. The C-axis is now referenced. As it just creeps actually to its final position. And now we engage the live tool. And we're running that on 1500 RPM and with the C-axis positioning to simulate a drilling cycle, a PCD cycle basically. Very, very smooth spindle. The ram in excellent condition. Still under C-axis positioning. Now we go to tool change, putting away the live tool and picking up a turning tool holder. This turning tool holder is a large block in which there is a Capto C6 holder fitted to it. Door closes. And now we are ramping up on a constant surface speed demonstration as the X- approaches the X-axis approaches the table center. So we can see the speed is increasing quite rapidly as we approach center. We're now running 120 RPM. We ran back down again. It's obviously a 4-jaw faceplate type chuck with this machine, with large heavy duty jaw bodies which are independently adjustable across the table, and each jaw body has its own scroll. So we go back and pick up the live tool again, and the cycle can recommence. And now we're going to just show on rapid traverse, going across in X minus to the full extent of the travel, right past centre line, long stroke all the way past, so you could turn from both sides on this machine. Very smooth on the X-axis. It's a solid slide machine, this, what way on both X and Z. And again, rapid traverse on the Z-axis, showing Z minus, Z plus. So another feature of the control is that, as mentioned earlier, it has full manual guide eye for programming at the machine with graphics. The machine also has high and low gearing, so the machine motor is coupled to a 2-speed gearbox, and it has high pressure coolant with paper band filtration through the ram of the machine, through the tool. And the hours run on the machine, you can see a total of approximately 5,000 hours in total out of 38,000 power on time, so only about 10%, well maybe 20% of the time has it been actually in operation. So very low hours machine, and a very nice machine. It's available for sale from TW Ward.